So we've got Kung Fu Panda movie. We're gonna give it a. Oh, so we can just vote right here. So I want to give it. Number 3 wasn't the best. Number 2 was alright. Number 1 was pretty good. I'd have to give it an A or S, something like that. Karate Kid. Because of its, I have. It's. Look, I'm not going to say it's S tier. I'll be glazing, old classical movies, but it's a good movie, so I'd say. Fantastic Four was kind of sick back in the day. I would give it a B. The Muppets. The Muppets? Fuck hell. I don't think I've watched this though. I don't know. What the fuck? Medea goes to jail. Who the fuck is this? Who the fuck is Medea? Oh, fucking skipping that. Blight. Est. Godzilla. What do you reckon of Godzilla? Godzilla's alright, but like it's the newer ones, of the movies and shit. So I'm gonna have to go B. Beethoven. Fucking hell, man. This has been a while since I've watched this sort of stuff. I accidentally. What? Nah, bro. I accidentally tapped. Nah, bro. That's insane. That's actually insane. I can't find the fucking movie either. Bruh. Can I not, like, go back? Man. What the hell? Yeah, it's whatever. It's whatever. Um, is this yeah. Alright, Triple X. It it was pretty shit. I put the Muppets in G tier, bro. I'm just gonna put this on the fucking whatever the fuck that is. Lewis H. On right down there. Oh wait, this is actually not bad. I like this. I like this movie. Ooh, S tier. Ooh, S tier. Star Trek. Shit's kind of mid. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Rush Hour should be S tier. That pisses. Ooh, Friday S tier. Man with No Name. Clint Eastwood. Look, I don't think I've seen this, but Clint Eastwood's in it, so we're gonna give it at least a B. I I've never yeah I've never really even liked Cheech and Chong. Fucking whatever. Dumb and Dumber S tier. Pitch Perfect. Oh my god. American Pie. Insidious. This is on Netflix, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna probably go see. RoboCop. S tier. These are the well, Silence of the Lamb is not the same as that. That's a good fucking movie though. You know what? I'm gonna give this an S tier. Jaws. Mm, it was good. What? Maybe, I don't know. Oh, right, so it's. Oh, wow. Well, B, A, B. Superman the movie. It's kind of goated, dude. It's kind of cool. The Pink Panther. This is the old school one. This one's not bad too. I'm gonna give it an A. Batman Anthology. I don't know, man. Looks like we'll skip it. The Hangover trilogy. So is that all movies? That's all movies. That's just yeah. That 70s show. Fucking hell, eh? That 70s show, yeah. John Wick. I'm gonna have to say all John Wicks were fucking good. The Purge, the one where they're in America, that was like the only Purge movie that was actually decent. I'd watch it again. Is this nah, but I don't mind the how they got the American fucking government this and that. It was the one where they decided to go back to Mexico and it had CGI. It was like terrible. Or going over to Mexico and shit. It was fucking cringe. So I think so. It was bad, real bad. It was a fucking bad movie. But yeah, we'll, we'll probably go B. Alien. Oh yes. S tier. Taken. Liam Neeson. Huh? The Dark Knight trilogy. It's not S tier. Yeah, it's got fucking what's his head? Um, the Aussie actor died. Heath Ledger. So because of him, I'll give it S tier. 50 Shades of fucking Grey, dude. Oh, Riddick. This was fucking sick. This is one of his good movies. Huh? Haven't now? You haven't seen Riddick? Look, it's Nah, this is a fucking way better. I'll give it an A. I'm gonna give it an A. Sylvester Stallone, Rocky, dude, S tier, S tier. Honey, we ourselves, honey, are the kids. What the fuck? I don't think I've ever. Have you watched this? The Santa Claus. B. Oh, the Mummy. This was the same. To be honest, this is like, to be honest, this is even C. It's alright. You can watch it, but oh, the Predator. Dr. Chris respect. Star Trek, but old school. Oh, what? Yeah. I don't know, but they got all that weird hair. Me, no, I've never been a Star Trek fan either, so we're gonna go. Ugh. We're gonna go. That was an accidental, and Rush Hour was accidental. So 2-2. Nah, this is a don't know what to call it. Jack Ryan. Me neither. Me. Oh, this was good. This was good. X-Men. X-Men. It's A. I know it's good, but oh, Tomb Raider. Tomb Raider. See, wait, yeah. Poltergeist. Poltergeist. I don't know. Some horror movie. Yeah. Well, let's go see. Oh, Scream. S. Surely. Oh yeah. Jumanji. To be honest with you, dude. Yeah, I was literally about to say the first Jumanji is. Yeah, dude. Like that's actually a little fucked up. I was gonna put. Look, I'm. Yeah, no, we're gonna put an S tier and forget Yellow to exist. It's a fucking mort. Madagascar 2? Probably like a B. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't insane. Madagascar 1 was way better. Star Trek. It's the newer ones. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I left it at B. Um, yeah, Star Trek. With faggots. So what, you reckon? H. Yes. Oh, yes, can S tier. Hot fudge, the Hobbit. The Hobbit's actually. Hobbit's. Yeah, I was actually gonna say, Hobbit's like hella underrated. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna give it S tier. No. We'll go A. Oh, Austin Powers. What? Did you just say A to Austin Powers? No, you're being serious, right? Yeah, but it's seriously. I thought you would say Austin Powers is S tier. That's groovy, baby. Nightmare on Elm Street, S tier. War of Planet of the Apes. This was good, but it was like mid good. You know what I'm saying? Like B. Yeah, but this is War of the Planet of the Apes. This is B. What the fuck? I think I watched this. S tier, right. Avengers Endgame. I don't think I've watched this. People have said it's really good. Look, 50 something percent. I love we're gonna be this part of the 6% that haven't seen it. Evil Dead, Evil Dead. Oh, isn't this like? Oh fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna use like B or A. Good question. Um, there's I don't know why. That's I don't nah. That would have been my cousin that did that. Yeah, it was John Kenner. All right, so I'm gonna go fucking probably B. Oh, what the fuck? I did already. Transformers. I somewhat like pretty sick though. I remember the first two being pretty good. Yeah. I know. You know what? Yeah. I reckon S tier. Back to the Future is S tier. There's no argument about it. Hotel Trannyville. I was about to say it. Bro, when the fuck? It's a possibility, man. Like I don't think I've watched it though. Do you understand what I'm saying? Well, is what do you rate it then? Let's see. The Born Supremacy. Right. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go probably. See. Bring it on. Is it S? Yeah. Oh, that's with what's his head off Men in Black. Yeah. Captain America. And my favorite part is when he finds out that black people have rights in America. Yeah, 'cause he's white and he's the captain of America. Chucky. Just Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. House. Bruh. This shit was so, like, overrated. It's not even funny. Despicable Me, the first one. Wait, what? Happy Father's Day? Is this the. What? S tier. Oh, Die Hard S tier. Divergent. A. Dr. Doolittle. Fuck this nigga cunt. Glass, Split, Unbreakable. Split was a good movie. I don't know what the fuck these are. The Ring. Does it? What is this? Before You Die? Um. Oh, that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is actually a good sick ass movie. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I forgot. Fast and Furious. Fucking. What? 5? That was, yeah. We'll go. Oh, The Grudge. 30th anniversary Ghostbusters. This shit was dope. The males one. Godzilla, the new Godzilla. How do you feel about the new Godzilla? Me, not so much. Yeah. Harry Potter and the Flying Sorcerer. Dude, honestly, I don't give a shit. I just made it up. Yeah, it's not bad. I liked it. I liked it. Um, Never seen it. The Hunger Games. I've only seen it partially, Like, I haven't actually watched it. So, give it a C. D. C, D, C, D, C, D, C. Iron Man. Free. I'm gonna have to give it a C. Jackass, the movie. The first one. 007 series. Pretty fucking good. Jason Bourne. S tier Jason Bourne? It is pretty good. It is pretty good. Jurassic Park. S tier. Friday the 13th. S tier. Aladdin. A tier. This is A tier. Or Lethal Weapon. S tier. Lord of the Rings. What the fuck did you say? Mad Max. This one was fucking pretty good too. What? No. I'm only gonna drop down to like B because you don't like it, but it was a good fucking movie. The Maze Runner. Look, I'm not a fan of mazes. We're gonna go C. Oh, Scrooby Doo. Are these the? These are live action film collections. I don't think we've watched this. Oh, The Godfather. S tier. S tier. S tier. Oh, Yeah, this was hard. Like I remember this being back in the day. Oh, this was a good movie. How do you feel about King Kong? Yeah, this was a good movie. Dude, it actually set. I'm not. Free Willy. Ice Age ST. The fuck? Me neither. Ugh. Bro, to be honest with you, I'm literally going the lowest of the lowest because I hate Will Smith. And he's black, so. The I don't know, I don't think anyone's gonna say it. This was pretty good. Was it S tier? No, it was A tier though. It's definitely A tier. Resident Evil Extinction. Look, it's the same old shit, but it's a good movie, so I'm not gonna give it an S. I'm gonna give it an A. What the fuck? Death Wish 3. Is he dropping off a taco, cunt? The Expendables. Oh, this is kind of mid. It's alright, but it's mid. Yeah, C. B. B probably. C. The Blair Witch Project. B. The Adams Family. This shit was S tier. I liked it. You know what's funny? It's funny. I liked it. And then I remember getting out of jail, and then everyone's like talking about the Adams Family. I'm like, oh, that's interesting. And then when I went to like stepmom's Reigns, right, this chick put on Wednesday, and I was like watching it, and I was like, is this the Adams Family? And they were like, oh, you know the Adams Family? Like, what do you mean under the Adams Family? But like, I didn't know that on the internet, everyone's gone crazy about Wednesday, right? It was a trend for a period of time, and I just wasn't there. I was in jail, but still, this chick was like amazed that I actually knew about the Adams Family because I was like, "Is this the Adams Family?" Like confused. Her. Anyway, step up. What? Oh, the Naked Gun. What did you say about Beetlejuice? You know about the Naked Gun? She. Hell yeah. Shrek is S tier. Star Wars. This one, The Force Awakens. This was one of the weirdest and dumbest movies that Keanu Reeves ever did. He should have left this back in the day, bro. This was the weirdest movie ever. Yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck? Looks like a porn one. I haven't seen it though. Ocean's Lemon Zest here. Oh, Crocodile Dundee. We're gonna have to give it an S tier. Final Destination. Fucking. I know this movie. What's this movie? I'm gonna give it an A tier because I know it's a good movie. Oh, Night at the Museum. Olympus Has Fallen. This shit's kind of like mid. Oh, these D-Day shit's mid. It's like alright to watch, but it's mid. I would rather watch this, you know? I don't know, but I'd rather watch it. Look at that cat. It's a Walt Disney movie called Homeward Bound. Look it up. That is some nice artwork. Yeah, word. Narnia. Narnia was a fucking really good movie. Nah, I would say it's an S too. Like, this is a good movie. Ooh, look. First few Pirate Caribbean movies, S tier. The rest got real bad. Who's with me? Alright. Police Academy. Oh, S tier. That's crazy. Rainbow, Last Blood, but oh, you never seen Rainbow, bro? You're missing out. You're missing out. This one wasn't the best. This one was like getting there. I'm gonna have to give it like a fucking B. I haven't seen these, but I don't want to see these. Star Wars in general is probably S. Yeah, S. I don't know why. Texas, yes, S. The Wolverine. The Wolverine, buddy? Huh? It's in 3D. I'm gonna give this an A. Thor, A. Yeah, I know you did, but it's sick. It's not the best though. Toy Story. This is an S tier. This is undoubtedly the best S tier I've clicked on so far. The Twilight. The Twilight. Ooh, Dirty Harry. Literally, I was just saying before, Underworld. Oh. Isn't she a vampire? She's a vampire in Western or not? Mission Impossible, Tom Cruise. I'm gonna go A. Home Alone series. We'll give it a C. This is more Star Wars, bro. I'm just gonna give Star Wars. It's more Star Wars. I'll just give it an S tier, another S tier. Santa Claus. I know. Do you think I'm made of, answers? What is this? This is gay ass shit. Oh, Terminator S tier. The Conjuring, that shit was bussin'. The Ring S tier. Rush Hour S. I say so. Haven't seen it. Haven't seen it. This is what? What do you mean? We literally rated 44% of the movies S tier.
But I'll fuck your wife, Custer. I'm gonna keep it 55th Street.